Okay, so you should have decided upon a theme, whether it's sport activities, any type of indoor activities and things like that, things that you like. Again, we're going to be creating more of like a scene, so we're going to be either indoors or outdoors, so you need to be thinking about that. So the first thing you want to do is kind of decide, and you're going to be making some decisions by doing a small little sketch. You can see how tiny this is. This is called a thumbnail sketch, where we're just kind of mapping out to see what we like and how we want to do our project. So one of the things you need to do is decide where you want your vanishing point. So maybe up in the corner. This would be that this is on the ground. Okay, so everything you would be doing would be on the ground. Remember, start in the middle with your first box, outside edge, but not on the edge. You can vary the sizes, so you're kind of deciding if you want to do that. Notice I just did that really quickly, just with my pencil, no ruler. Kind of decide, kind of see what that looks like, having my vanishing point going off into the corner, see if I like that or not. Make sure that none of your rectangles are on your vanishing point wherever you put it, okay? And then you're going to be placing objects in and around with what you're doing. You can have some of your objects that you've decided upon kind of interact with your boxes. And I'm just kind of just drawing like random little things just so that I can see where to place things. These will not be like blobs like this is showing. You'll be, like if you have a Western theme, you might have like horses jumping over your blocks or cowboys, lassoing things and whatnot. You might have cacti and things like that. And after you've got, one idea, remember you need to have at least 8 objects. You don't want to have a whole bunch of big areas that have a lot of ground, okay? So you need to make sure that you're kind of showing some overlapping and those types of things that we've already learned about. After you've done one side, then you might want to say, oh, I think I want to show a little bit of sky. And again, laying out your blocks. And then just having them go up to your vanishing point. Again, no rectangles on a vanishing point, okay? And then again, you're going to be drawing your objects. Maybe you want, a person or a character or something kind of sitting on a block, or something jumping over one of your blocks or standing on a block. You can have something maybe sitting and leaning up against a block. Maybe you want some things up in the sky, maybe some balloons or something like that, or clouds. So make sure, again, you don't have a lot of stuff that is just plain and there's nothing there. You need to have at least 8 or more objects kind of like filling up the space. Otherwise, it would not be very interesting. So just again, this is like a really quick process. I've taken 3 minutes plus discussion is all that I've taken on this. You'll be having about 5 minutes per side. And again, you're just kind of deciding how you want to kind of have things laid out. Good luck today.